Once upon a time, before there was light, sound, or even time itself, the universe lay dormant in a state we can barely comprehend, a singularity. It was a point of infinite density, where all the energy and matter that would ever exist was compacted into something unimaginably small. Then, around 13.8 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. The Big Bang. This wasn't an explosion in space, as one might think, but rather an expansion of space itself. Like an inflating balloon, the fabric of the universe stretched outward, giving rise to time, space, and the building blocks of everything we know. In those first few seconds, the universe was a seething, chaotic sea of particles and radiation. Temperatures were unimaginably high, and matter as we understand it didn't yet exist. But as things cooled, quarks and gluons combined to form protons and neutrons. These, in turn, came together to create the first atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. Over millions of years, gravity worked its magic, pulling these atoms together into clouds that would collapse under their own weight, igniting the first stars. These stars, in their fiery deaths, forged heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the ingredients for planets and life itself. But the universe wasn't just a collection of stars and galaxies. It was filled with mysteries that still baffle scientists today. Among them is the enigma of dark matter. Although it makes up about 85% of the universe, we cannot see or touch it. It doesn't emit light or energy, and yet its gravitational influence is undeniable. It holds galaxies together, acting like an invisible scaffolding. Without dark matter, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. Yet, what exactly is it? Scientists have been trying to answer this question for decades, but the truth remains elusive. And then there are black holes, perhaps the most enigmatic entities in the cosmos. Born from the collapse of massive stars, black holes are regions where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. At their core lies a singularity, a point where the laws of physics as we know them break down. What happens to the matter that falls into a black hole? Does it get crushed into oblivion? Or does it find its way to another part of the universe? Some even speculate that black holes might be portals to other dimensions, though this remains firmly in the realm of theory. As humanity gazes deeper into the night sky, we're confronted with an even grander question. What lies at the edge of the universe? Is there an edge at all? Observations show that the universe is expanding, and the galaxies are moving away from us. But if we could travel far enough, would we eventually reach a boundary? But the mysteries don't end there. Some scientists believe our universe might not be the only one. The concept of the multiverse suggests that there could be countless other universes, each with its own laws of physics. In one, gravity might be stronger, preventing stars from forming. In another, time might flow backward. These parallel universes could be as varied as our imaginations allow, and yet they remain completely inaccessible, for now. As we contemplate these mysteries, it's humbling to remember how small we are in the grand scheme of things. We live on a tiny planet orbiting an average star in one of the billions of galaxies in the observable universe. And yet, from this tiny vantage point, we have been able to unlock so many secrets of the cosmos. Through telescopes and experiments, we've peered back in time to the moments after the Big Bang, mapped the distribution of dark matter, and captured the first image of a black hole's shadow. The story of the universe is far from over. Each discovery leads to new questions, new challenges, and new frontiers to explore. Who knows what we might find next? Perhaps one day we'll unravel the nature of dark matter, decode the secrets of black holes, or even discover evidence of parallel universes. Until then, the mysteries of the cosmos will continue to inspire wonder and curiosity in all who dare to look up at the stars.